Oh, you can barely see me. Come on. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you can tell, we got a whole lot of snow today, so we're gonna go use the Mini and play around in the snow a little bit. It's brutal. It only started coming down like an hour, 2 hours ago maybe, and it's pretty deep, so my foot goes in pretty well. I'd say it's a solid 2-3 inches. So yeah, we're gonna go have some fun and tear up some snowy parking lots in the front wheel drive. So we're driving down the Maryhill bypass right now, which is basically like a highway or like no, not a freeway, but like it's like low heat highway or anything like that. It kind of bypasses everything. It's supposed to be like decently fast, and I'm glad to see that our BC tax money is going to really good work at plowing the roads right now. So yeah, it looks like we're gonna have a long drive down to snowy Mexico, so you know, we'll see in a bit. So we just got to Mexico, and looks like we're not the only ones here. You can't really see. There's a nice sieve there, and then we ran into these strangers. You guys don't really know who these are. So Mihai's driving. Say hi, Mihai. It's not really focusing. And Madison's in the passenger seat. So oh, we got another contender. Full send. That's a nice Dodge. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the Mexican snow and hopefully not break anything. And if we do break something, it'll be a great clickbait title. Yeah, my camera died, so I'm using my phone instead.
Oh, for the vlog?
Yeah. It's for the vlog, dude.
You all have something. Put those cones out.
Okay. Okay, so the guy in the Prius that just pulled up, that is Harinder. He's a friend of mine. He's got a sick Jetta. I'm gonna link his Instagram down in the description. It's gorgeous. It's bagged, Mark IV, if you know anything about Jettas. And now he's gonna try and wall tap a cone. And not cover me in snow this time. Oh my god! Alright, not bad. It almost took me out, but like, that was pretty old. I think it just hit the curb. So Omer just showed up in his Tundra. And he's gonna send it a little. My camera died, so I'm using my phone to vlog. You gonna send it?
Yeah.
Okay, go send it. Gotta love good truck send this time of year. So I don't know how the filming is gonna be, but my camera died and I'm using my phone now. I just got an iPhone 10 XR, whatever it's called. I just got an iPhone XR and I'm enjoying it quite a bit. It's pretty fun. I don't know, it looks pretty good. We're gonna keep sending it now. Okay, so I don't know how much more we're gonna get to send it. Security just came up. He sort of popped out of a door and we weren't expecting it. He just sort of like came out the door So we're a little worried. He didn't say anything to us because we're all just sitting still right now. But I don't know. Hopefully we can send it more. And if not, then yeah, we'll see. We like to live life on the edge out here in Mexico. Snowy Mexico. The mini's rolling away! Oh my god. I'm just trying to record cheaper and doing this. Okay, so I don't know if that made any sense, but we parked the mini up on a hill and it's pretty icy now. And the mini just started sliding because I got out to record our friend Cheapery and his Golf R. And it started sliding because Britt didn't have her foot on the brake, obviously, because she was in the passenger seat. So she was just sliding away. So it got a little hectic, but it was fun. It was good. They look like the same Golf R, but I swear they're both different ones. Just listen to how good that sounds. I'll say it once and I'll say it again. Golf R's are one of the best sounding cars out here. DSG, whew, sounds so good. Oh, Omer's back and he's gonna do some more skids. This is actually really good for night filming. Like, it's pretty dark out or you can see me like no problem. I like this. I might have to start using my phone for these kind of clips. Got a good old Focus ST out here. It's a Fiesta ST. Sounds pretty good, actually. So if you don't know about Mark 7 Golfs, if you get a GTR or a R, you can get a pop tune when you go stage 2, so it makes it more fun. Okay, so now we're gonna see how the Golf R launches in the snow. Alright, so we left Mexico and we came to Mexico. And now we are with Kyle. We left the Mini at home because it's getting a little worse out here. So we're just hanging out. We're enjoying some Jeep stuff. Oh, there's someone sending. Hey! Kyle just tried to throw a snowball at me. There's a G35 absolutely sending it. Hold on. Good little full send season. Oh, they're getting a video. Ooh, ow! Oh my god, that was a good shot. So we're gonna do some snow drifts in the Jeep, and Kyle's gonna keep throwing snowballs at me. So yeah, enjoy the oh, Kyle's stuck.
Oh, it's greasy out, boys.
So yeah, we're gonna go enjoy some Jeep drift. I'll get some footage for yous. Alright, so we had to cut it a little short because some guy came over an intercom. But yeah, this was fun. I think we're gonna head up to Burnaby Mountain and do some free snowboarding and give her a little full send. Hey Kyle? So, and probably end the video there. So we'll see you up there. But before we go anywhere, you know we gotta get some Tim Hortons because, you know, real Canadians. All right, we are now up at Burnaby Mountain. It's a local like parking lot and restaurant, so we're gonna do some free snowboarding. We're gonna do some free snowboarding. We're gonna climb up to the top, snowboard down, and then walk back up. Keep doing it again, but I'm gonna end it here because I don't want to carry my phone on me while I'm snowboarding because I don't feel like breaking my brand new phone. So, as I always say, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share it. And, yeah, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. And, oh, there's someone doing skids. And, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.